Well, welcome back to the vlog channel, guys. It is the 19th, the 19th of June, 2019. We are at the Tampa Premium, or the Orlando Premium Outlets. Rachel wanted to look at a few things in the Disney outlet store, so we're going over to Disney World. We have dinner reservations at the Grand Floridian tonight, but it's pouring rain right now, so let's get over to Disney World now. Here to Disney Springs. It's starting to slow down with the rain, so we just, what was the store that we just went to? Ever After, and now we're going over World of Disney real quick to look at a few things, and then we might go look at one of the hotels, so we'll see what happens. So we're a little early for our dinner reservation, but we parked here at the Grand Floridian. So I got some trash here, but I think we're gonna go over to Wilderness Lodge for a little bit, maybe. Walk around there and see what's going on, and then we'll come back here, we'll have dinner at 7 at the Grand Floridian Cafe. So yeah, it finally stopped raining, but it's still a little cloudy out, so. You ready to go to the, what is it, Wilderness Lodge?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
You having fun? Yes. Oh boy. This is the DVC area of the Grand Floridian, and that's the main area over there. Look. Hey, hey, what's the matter with your hair? Yeah. Hey, hey, what's the matter with your mind and your sign? Oh, hey, hey. Bye, Monorail.
To those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors.
So we just got off the monorail at the Magic Kingdom. We're on the bus. We're going to the bus. That's the bus to Wilderness Lodge. We're gonna go over to Wilderness Lodge and walk around for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back to the Grand Floridian for dinner, right? Off to Fort Wilderness. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
To Fort Wilderness we go. It's a little bright out, but we made it. We made it to Wilderness Lodge, right?
Yep, it's like you see.
It was really bright. So we're gonna go take a quick look. It's been a while since we've both been here, so we're gonna go take a quick look around, so let's go. Looks like we got another storm rolling through, so we might make this quick, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but looks like there is another storm coming right there. Disney's Fort Wilderness Lodge. Pretty sweet. They've got a water feature in this hotel? That's awesome. I guess it starts here, and it looks like it goes outside. We'll go outside and show you guys that, but that's pretty cool, right? Damn, this place is sick. Right?
Yeah,
What did I
it's
say?
cool.
It doesn't
Yeah.
feel like we're actually at Disney World, right?
No, definitely not.
Yeah, see this little water stream right here? That's from in the lobby. It comes all the way out here. And I think it goes all the way out to Bay Lake, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, keep going on the...
Yeah. Oh yeah, look, it's a geyser.
Oh yeah.
This thing erupts.
Ooh.
So it just thundered pretty loud. I just got an update on my phone about lightning in the area, so you can probably hear it now. But we're gonna try and get a quick look of everything outside, and then we're gonna run back inside because it is about to rain. They just cleared out everyone out of the pool, so it's gonna start raining soon. But that's Florida for you in the middle of June.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here comes the rain. So we are going to go back inside. Hopefully we can get in this door. I don't see a key fob thing or anything. Uh-oh, we might not be able to get in this way. Let's see. Oh, just got an alert. Rain's on its way. Oh boy. We might be in a pretty bad situation. Yep, it's raining. It's all coming down. This little walkway right here. Hold on. Trying to get a shot of the windshield wipers now.
Arrive on Main Street at least a half hour before showtime. It's all waiting for you today at the Magic Kingdom.
That's the storm that just hit us. You can see it going past the Contemporary now. Pretty crazy.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Sign your way. Oh, sorry.
Got his feet to moving, that rubber band off the ground. He lifted it way high at the sky, y'all, and then he oh, get with it, y'all. Hey, y'all, prepare yourself for the rubber band, man. What you say? Oh, whoa. When the rubber band starts to jam.
Is it? Is it tough to be a bug?
Yeah.
Guess where we are. The Contemporary.
No? I
Kingdom.
Oh, no. I'm okay. Get out here.
Nope. I like it.
Except for I have to get some.
There goes Monorail. Coral. I almost forgot myself. There she goes. Where are we going now?
It's the Grand Floridian Cafe.
We got dinner reservations. Can't wait, we're starving.
No smoking, please. Our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. To our left-hand side are Disney's Palm and Disney's Magnolia golf courses.
Which one do you want?
It looks weird on here, but
Let me see.
it's got the
Oh, it
castle.
looks kind of cool though.
But you can make
What
it.
is it? Yellow?
Yeah.
What's yellow?
$12.99.
$12.99. You should get it.
Yeah.
We're in the Grand Floridian store if you guys were wondering. There goes the Toy Story 4 monorail, and it is raining again. It's literally been raining all day, but there's the black monorail in the station. And they're going to the Polynesian. Look, oh my god. It's pouring. Sweet. Babe, it's raining. It's raining. Man, it's coming down out there. You can't even see across the lake. Back there, you can see the bungalows, kind of. Right there. Dang. Literally came out of nowhere. It literally formed like a mile west of us and just moved right in. Look at all the water coming off the edge. We made it. This is the menu. Looks pretty good. I'm excited for this. That looks really good. Right?
Yeah, I'm excited.
And it's still raining out. Perfect way to end a perfect day, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I'm stuffed.
Me too. Look at that storm over there, though. That's looking east towards the contemporaries out there. Pretty crazy. But it's off to the car and back to Tampa now.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road.